Bonjour et bienvenue dans la troisième leçon du chapitre 1, the third lesson of chapter 1, the last one already. Okay, now we are going to learn about la négation, negation in French, la négation. Donc, nous avons une petite conversation, once again, between une femme et un homme. Une conversation entre une femme et un homme. So I'm gonna read, and what you have to do, just read it with me. Bonjour, es-tu italien? Bonjour, non, je ne suis pas italien, je suis portugais. As-tu un animal de compagnie? Non, je n'ai pas d'animal de compagnie. Et toi? Oui, j'ai un chat, mais je n'ai pas de chien. Ok, donc nous avons une conversation qui parle de nationalité et d'animal de compagnie. They're asking questions. And as you can see, you can already identify the negation form in French in this text. So now the question I have for you, according to this little conversation I just read, how do you form the negation in French? Look down below, you have a little rule to complete. So take your time, read the sentences and complete the rule. La négation. So, la négation en français is not so difficult. It's ne or an apostrophe plus in the middle the verb et to finish pas, P-A-S, pas. Donc ne or an apostrophe plus verbe plus pas. For example, par exemple, in the second sentence, non, je ne, okay, ne suis le verbe et pas, which is equivalent of not in English, italien. Je ne suis pas italien. Okay, you understand from here until now? Everything all good? Okay. Alors, you will ask me, why an apostrophe? Why do we use this an apostrophe? Because I explained ne pas, okay, easy. But why there is in 1, 2, 3, 4, in a fourth sentence, fourth line in this conversation, non, je n'ai pas d'animal de compagnie. It's because in French we don't like to have two vowels preceding each other. The previous word ends by a vowel and the next word starts by a vowel. And we don't like when they are next to each other. So what we do, we cut the E of ne and we add an apostrophe. So you cannot say in French, non, je ne ai pas d'animal de compagnie. Non, 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 non. You have to say, non, je n'ai pas d'animal de compagnie. Because we don't like two vowels together. So we erase it and we put an apostrophe. Okay? Donc, non, je n'ai pas d'animal de compagnie. Et toi? Oui, j'ai un chat. The very last sentence. Oui, j'ai un chat, mais je n'ai pas de chien. Okay. Now, why in pink you can see the or the apostrophe? What does it mean, in your opinion? Je n'ai pas de chien ou je n'ai pas d'animal de compagnie. It means, and maybe you guessed, any. I don't have any dogs. I don't have any pets. And this any is translated in French by de or the apostrophe. All right, so ne, verbe pas, or an apostrophe, verbe pas, followed by, if you want to say any, de or the apostrophe. The apostrophe, why? It's when the next word starts by a vowel, like animal, for example, here. Okay. Here you have the corrections if you want to take notes in your notebook. And we go directly to the next page to practice together. All right. Here we have, voici le professeur négatif. It's a very negative guy. Change les phrases pour lui. So here what we have to do, we have sentences in yellow, and we have to put the response in a negative form, because he's a very negative guy, Professor Négatif. Okay, so we have, je suis Canadien. And we want to say, I'm not Canadian. Non, je ne suis pas Canadien. Non, je ne suis pas Canadien. Okay, so now what you can do, you can pause this video and try to find the other responses. Because I'm going to tell right now what you should write or just say at home out loud. Tu es blonde? Non. Tu n'es pas blonde. Tu n'es pas blonde. N apostrophe. Or you can say, non, je ne suis pas blonde. If you're a girl, for example, you want to say, no, I'm not blonde. Non, je ne suis pas blonde. Vous avez une grande maison. You have a big house, une grande maison. Non. Nous, oui, c'est oui in English. Non, non. Nous n'avons pas de grande maison. No, we don't have any house. Non, nous n'avons pas de grande maison. Elle parle anglais? Non, elle ne parle pas anglais. Easy. Elle ne parle pas anglais. Nous sommes riches? Non, nous ne sommes pas riches. Non, nous ne sommes pas riches. And here is a correction. If you want to have a look, take some notes, no problem. Of course, if we want to try to make sentences with the negation, we need to know the conjugation of verbs like être, to be, avoir, and other verbs. For this, you need to watch my other video about present simple verbs, which is also a video I provide in this course, but it's not in the main core of the course. So you can watch my video, present simple, where we go through all the verbs, all the category of verbs in French in present simple. So it will help you to make sentences with the negation. So, for example, I give you a sentence now in French, in normal form, and you try to make it negative, okay? Tu parles français? Tu parles français? You speak French? And you have to say, non, je ne parle pas français. Okay, another one. Est-ce que tu es riche? Est-ce que tu es riche? Maybe you are. Good for you. But we are practicing negation here. Non, je ne suis pas riche. Okay. Est-ce que tu es grand? Est-ce que tu es grand? Tall. Grand for boy. Et if you are a girl, est-ce que tu es grande? Est-ce que tu es grande? Non, je ne suis pas grand. If you are a boy. If you are a girl, woman, non, je ne suis pas grande. Okay, one last question to practice negation. Est-ce que tu as un lama? Est-ce que tu as un lama? Do you have a lama? I want you to say, no, I don't have any lama. Non, je n'ai, un apostrophe, non, je n'ai pas de lama. Non, je n'ai pas de lama. No, I do not have any lama. All right, everything okay so far? I hope so. And here is a little overview of the articles, the negation in this page. We're not going to go through this page, it's for you. If you want to take notes, it's like an overview of what we just said in this lesson 3. And now, to finish this chapter, we are going to see les adjectifs possessifs, the possessives, to say my, your, his, her, our en français. So I made this little table and you can see a logo, 3 logos, 1 logo for male, 1 logo for female, and 1 logo for plural form. Because when we use possessive in French, we have to think, as always, is it masculin, féminin, or pluriel? Okay? So the equivalent for je, my. If it's masculine, if the next word is masculine, you will use mon. If it's the next word is feminine, you will use ma. If it's more than one, if it's plural, mes. Mon, ma, mes. And you see they follow the same pattern a little bit. Mon, ma, mes. And with your, ton, ta, tes. And with his or her, hers, his, son, sa, ses. You see there is the same melody. Mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, son, sa, ses. If you memorize this melody, it will help you a lot to just memorize it the way it is. Donc, par exemple, how would you say my cat? Cat is masculine. Mon chat. If you want to say my cats, pluriel. Mes chats. Chat with S. If you want to say my table, table is female, feminine. Ma table. How would you say your table? Ta table. How would you say your dog? Ton chien. Your dogs. Tes chiens. Etc. Son chien. Sa table. Ses chiens. Ses table. His, her. So you see it's very different from English. This time we are focused on the gender or the number of the next word. Is it féminin, masculin, or pluriel? You have to think of it. Then we have the equivalent of with nous, like in English, our. Par exemple, notre chien s'appelle Patrick. Our dog's name is Patrick. Notre chien, our dog. And if you want to say our dogs, it will become nos chiens. Nos chiens sont des chihuahuas. Your with vous, votre chien. It's like a bit formal. Oh, voici votre table. Here is your table. Ou votre chien est arrivé. Your dog just arrived. In pluriel form, vos. Vos tables, vos chiens, vos maisons, vos lamas. It means your lamas, your houses, etc. Their, the equivalent of their in French, we have one. Donc leur chien, their dog, one. If it's more than one, we say also leur, but with S, leur chien. This time it will be their dogs. Be careful, we don't hear any difference. Leur chien. But you can write leur chien singular without any S, or leur chien with S with leur and S with chien, which would mean their dogs. All right, here we have a little practice on the right side. Mon père est sénégalais. My father, père is masculine, so we'll use mon. Mon père est sénégalais. Ma mère est sénégalaise, with E at the end. Mère is féminin, obviously, so we use ma. So you see, it's not like in English, we really have to think about the gender of the next word, mère, féminin. And what would you say for the third sentence? Here we want to say, my parents are Senegalese. You would write, pluriel, mes parents, with S, sont, which is the equivalent of are, mes parents sont sénégalais, with S, one S. Mes parents sont sénégalais. And now I would like you to think and change with those three sentences with your. How would you say? Your father is Senegalese. Your mother is Senegalese. Your parents are Senegalese. You would say, ton père est sénégalais, ta mère est sénégalaise, tes parents sont sénégalais. How would you say, our parents are Senegalese? We would say, it's pluriel, nos parents sont sénégalais, which would mean our parents are Senegalese. How would you say their parents are Senegalese? Leurs parents sont sénégalais. With S, avec S, right? Donc voilà, mon père, ton père, son père. Ma mère, ta mère, sa mère. Mes parents, tes parents, ses parents. Nos parents, vos parents, leurs parents. You see, we change the meaning every time. Time to practice a little bit to see if you are following with me. Donc, quelques exemples à traduire en français. A little activity of translation in French. Their parents are Senegalese. We just said it. Our parents are Senegalese. Our dad is Senegalese. Our mother is Senegalese. Your parents are Senegalese. So now you can pause this video and just look at the previous slide and try to translate those sentences in your mother tongue. Oh, in French, sorry, in French, not in your mother tongue, in French. Okay? And here is, now I'm going to show you the answers. Hop. Leurs parents sont sénégalais. Second one, nos parents sont sénégalais. Notre père est sénégalais. Sa mère est sénégalaise et vos parents sont sénégalais. You can check if everything was correct for you. And with this activity, this is the end of chapter 1. Le chapitre numéro 1 est fini, terminé. Nous avons terminé avec le chapitre numéro 1 de Basics of French. It will help us to build up knowledge for the chapter 2. In the chapter 2, we're going to learn about to be, to have, être, avoir, la description physique, physical description, to do, to go, to make, these verbs, hobbies, leisure, what you like to do during your free time, the clothes, everything about clothes, and how to make questions in French. So this will be the chapter 2. So see you in the chapter 2. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir et bonne journée et à bientôt.